A delicious snack for adults and children alike would be wonderful fruit smoothies. Here we have the ingredients for a healthy fruit smoothie. We're going to utilize 1 banana, 2 kiwi, some mango chunks frozen, and some orange juice. Let's get started. So once you have all of your items prepared, such as cutting up and peeling your kiwi, measuring out your orange juice and mango, you can get started putting those into your blender, magic bullet, or anything that you would utilize to make your smoothie. First, we're going to take the mango and pour it inside. Good job. Then we're going to take the kiwi. Can you put the kiwi inside? Once your bananas all peeled, we're going to put that inside as well. Then we're going to pour in our orange juice. Good job. I like how you're going slow so you don't make a big mess. Appreciated.
Almost done.
Here we go. And we're going to put it down. Ooh, delicious. Okay, how about you get that glass over there?
This one?
Mm-hmm. And let's pour a little bit into the glass. Slowly. Okay. Smoothie-rific. And this is the best part.
You said smoothie.
Smoothie, yes. The best part is trying it. Take a taste, Can Bam.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Wonderful. And that is how you make one healthy smoothie. Good?
Yeah.
Wonderful. And that is how you make one healthy smoothie.